Up until this point, we've discussed individual ions and their respective charges in forming ionic compounds. Now, we're going to expand our knowledge of ions and discuss what are called polyatomic ions. Let's take the term polyatomic ion and let's break it down to understand its meaning. Poly, it's the Greek prefix just meaning many. Atomic just means atom or atoms. Ion, we should know at this point that an ion is an atom where the total number of electrons is not equal to the total number of protons. We can have positively charged ions, which are referred to as cations, and negatively charged ions that are referred to as anions. It's an interesting phenomena that happens during the formation of polyatomic ions. Sometimes you can have the loss or gain of electrons when two nonmetals come